Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, Wealthy Online. Are you ready to leverage the power of the internet to make money? Let me show you how in this video. If you're looking to make money online, then you need to learn the basics of affiliate marketing. So today we will be talking about affiliate marketing, and I'm going to share with you my top 5 affiliate programs that are perfect for beginners. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make some extra income, but it can be overwhelming at first. That's why I'm here to help you get started with these tried and true affiliate programs. So let's dive in and get started. Before we get into the list, let's first see what affiliate programs are. Affiliate programs, also called associate programs, offer a third-party platform that allows individuals and brands to find and work with each other. Both parties sign up for the platform, discuss a collaboration, and start to work together. Affiliate programs work by letting individuals or businesses create a profile on their platform and choose the brand they want to promote. The programs generate a unique link that affiliates can share with their site visitors, customers, and social media followers. When someone clicks the link and purchases from the brand, the affiliate receives a commission. Companies use affiliate programs to improve their sales. The programs are built on platforms that boast tracking technology to keep track of the affiliates. And now, let's check the top 5 affiliate programs for beginners. Watch the video until the end because I am going to give you a great tip to get your first commission faster than everybody else. Number 1. Amazon Associates. First on the affiliate programs list is Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates has been one of the top affiliate programs for beginners since 1996. In fact, it was the first online affiliate marketing program in the world. Since its inception, it's been helping online marketers make money by advertising to the millions of customers that shop on Amazon each year. When an Amazon affiliate shares a link that leads to a sale, they earn referral fees from the transaction. And since thousands of businesses are learning how to sell on Amazon each year, the potential for affiliates to grow is seemingly infinite. To get started as an Amazon affiliate, all you have to do is click the Sign Up button on the Amazon Associates page. From Amazon Associates, you can potentially make a commission anywhere from 1% to 20%, depending on the product type. You can receive your payment by a check, direct deposit, or Amazon gift card. So if you can consistently create, sell, and promote the products actively, you can definitely create a living and even potentially riches from this affiliate program. Number 2. ClickBank. One of the best companies with affiliate programs for different types of marketers is ClickBank. It is a significant affiliate platform to take into consideration for your business because its affiliate information is freely accessible to everyone. In 1998, ClickBank was founded in a garage and quickly rose to prominence as one of the top affiliate and retail websites worldwide. It currently boasts a sizable affiliate network that has generated billions of dollars in commissions by marketing ClickBank items. Because of its success and 20-year history, it's an excellent option for getting started, no matter your expertise. With tons of products to promote and a wide variety of companies to partner with, it's hard to pass up. Categories include business and investing, arts and entertainment, travel, sports, green products, home and garden. To become a ClickBank affiliate, you'll need to start an account, input your personal and payment info, and then finalize your account to get started. Its commission rate can be an astounding 50% to 70% on average, and you can receive your earnings through Payoneer, wire transfer, check, or direct deposit. Number 3. eBay Partner Network. One of the best paying affiliate programs on the internet is offered by eBay. The place where you can register to become an eBay affiliate is the eBay Partner Network. The range of commissions is 50% to 70%. eBay provides affiliates with the resources they need to efficiently market eBay's products. Regardless of how you decide to sell your products, you can benefit from eBay's affiliate program. As an eBay affiliate, in contrast to some of the other affiliate marketing sites on our list, you'll be dealing directly with eBay and its goods. While you will to some extent assist sellers, your main interaction will be with eBay. And just like Amazon, you'll be working with a platform that businesses want to sell on. With opportunities like eBay dropshipping, growth is virtually assured. As a bonus, eBay doesn't require you to work with it exclusively. You can be an eBay affiliate and still work with other merchants and programs to make additional income. To get started, you'll need to apply to join its affiliate program, which takes about 5 minutes. It's by far one of the easier application processes. Plus, it also has one of the highest paying commissions similar to ClickBank, which makes it essential for an affiliate. Number 4. Digistore 24. Digistore 24 is one of the biggest affiliate networks in Europe and provides online sales solutions for several German-speaking nations using automated technologies. To drive sales for its affiliate partners, the company provides a huge selection of physical and digital goods for as little as $1. Its popular products typically come from the fitness industry or online business. Because of their automated technology and their affiliation with affiliate partners, they are freed from technical and administrative hassles and are better able to concentrate on their products. The Digistore 24 affiliate network is a practical alternative to the leading affiliate networks in the US. As an affiliate, anyone may sign up to promote via Digistore 24 or own sales page, making it a win-win situation for everyone. Its commission rate is the highest of all on this list, ranging from 2% to 80%, which is more rewarding with a single sell than the others on the list. Number 5. Rakuten Affiliate. Last, but not least, is the Rakuten Affiliate Publisher Program. This program has the third largest market share of affiliate networks, at 7.25%. Rakuten is connected to over 2,500 different retail brands that sell all kinds of products. Find the item and merchant that suits you best, and then click on the Apply button to proceed. One of the more unique elements of the Rakuten affiliate program is that most of the companies are heavily involved in the affiliate screening process. If you're not a good fit, don't be surprised if the answer comes back no. But once you've gotten approval, the rest of the process is simple. Find the offer that fits your content or ad, generate your link, and then start earning money as an affiliate. You can find the links of all the websites on the description below. You can sign up and start promoting products right now. Before we end the video though, I have promised to give you a tip to start earning money faster. So here it is. To get traffic and effectively promote your products, create a new Instagram account and post your sales page. Put your affiliate link on your bio and use keywords related to the product. Create contents about it daily, and you will earn your rewards sooner than you expected. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about making money online and much more. Like and share the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.